Hello guys, today we are going to see basic weight training. First of all, we are going to see barbell weight training, but the main thing is we should not take the first weight. We should do a some warm up exercise for the all the muscle like push-ups. In the push-ups, we are getting the benefits for the shoulder muscle, arms, back arms, then chest, then core. Push-ups is very important in our life for the weight training or doing a body exercise. Then it is a good warm-up exercise. Then loose the muscles. We can take the barbell in the hand. First exercise, we will see the lat muscle workout. For this exercise, we should keep our back straight and don't lean front. Knee should be straight. Keep your leg with the shoulder apart. And feel the muscle that the lat muscle working. If that muscle you can't feel, it was a wrong exercise. This exercise is for shoulder muscle and the upper chest muscle. Then we are going to squat. For this exercise, the gluteus muscle is mainly working. This is lunges. For this, all the thigh muscle is working. We should keep the leg correctly straight forward. First, you do in the low weight or normal weightless without a weight. Then you can take the weight and you can train. This exercise is biceps curl. Or from this exercise, we will get a gain for a biceps muscle and forearms. For this exercise, you should not shake your body. This exercise is for back arms. This is a workout, but you should do 3 sets of this all. Injury while using the weight training. See, the man was not having any support and he was lifting a overweight. so he got an injury. My first preference is you should do a weight training in the low weight, then you will gradually increase the weight for the training. Bench press, he also he was doing exercise wrongly. You should do a exercise correct position. This is a video that you're playing with the weight training equipment. We should obey give a respect to the equipment. See, this video also you are playing with the equipment. See, the man was doing a overweight, so he can't lift. You should check before you are doing exercise that equipment was in a good condition. This man was not having a support guy, any touch up guys, so he was getting a problem. See how he will drop the weight. Again he was playing with the while exercise. For this we are going to tell the concentrates is mean. If somebody doing a workout, beware that you should be with the distance. This is not stability. He was not stability, and this is also improper quality equipment. The rope will cut it. We should use our knowledge for the weightlifting because it will give a more injury for our body. See, the partner also not having a capable for helping that man. video. I think so this video will help you in the future.